What's up, guys? Getting ready to go into work. It's like 40-something degrees, but should be a quicker trip for that. So, see you guys on the road. All right, guys. We are live. This is how it is, morning traffic in the city. A lot going on because you got to look ahead and behind and like I said, it's a little chilly. My legs are a little cold, but everything else is good. I got good layers on. Thank the Lord, everything is moving pretty smooth. Shoot. Good. You gotta be quick on it. See, it's definitely harder to be behind things where you can't see in front of them, because that's how I kind of judge everything. This is kind of cool. So this is the type of feeling I'm looking for in the morning. I like this. It just, you gotta get, you know, to open space. Getting through all the traffic is the hard part. Gotta anticipate everybody's moves, like this person who got in front of me but then got slower. Shout out to my guy. Shout out to my guy. Brother. Using a different mic today, so I wonder how all this sounds, because typically you can't really hear me that well on the VFR, and now it's a little windy. The wind's supposed to be like 14 miles per hour. Had to blink my eyes to kind of get used to it going dark all over all of a sudden. This person all up on my tail, so I gotta look at him, make sure he's not gonna be doing nothing crazy. Overall, I would say it's been a good trip. I'm not really a morning person like that, but it has been nice to kind of get this type of excitement and exhilaration in the morning. I can also see why it's a little bit dangerous, because you have people who just woke up, people from all over the place, literally different states and stuff, different cities, all riding and converging in on one place with like somewhere between, you know, 1 and 6 hours of sleep likely, and probably cranky, maybe not even had their coffee yet. And that's who we're riding out here with, so definitely something to think about.
I was just going to come out here and make a video as I'm leaving work, talking about how riding to the office was great and riding back will be cool, but as in terms of how people interact with me inside the office, maybe I got a few odd looks for my outfit, but nobody really talked to me. And then I was in the elevator with this one gentleman, and he turns out he rode motorcycles, so we talked for a while, and that was cool. And I ran into him one more time, and so we talked a little bit more, and he asked me what I did, and I asked him what he did, and that's when he informed me he was the CEO. So that's the beautiful thing about riding. It connects us. I just have been working here for not too long. I didn't even really know his name, to be honest, when he introduced himself to me, and when he said he was the CEO, I was like, oh, well, you know. So that's the beauty about riding, man. You can connect with the highest, so to speak, and the lowest, so to speak. Any race, both genders, whatever it is, you can connect with everybody, and that's beautiful.